Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a column chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. A column chart basically displays data in a vertical column. The value scale is displayed on the vertical axis, which is usually on the left hand side of the chart. Column charts are often used for creating data visualizations. There are many types of column charts, and the way to make them on PowerPoint is by clicking on the Insert Chart dialog box. So click on Insert and then click on Chart to bring up the Insert Chart dialog box. On the left hand side, choose column and you will find various types of column charts that open up on the right hand side of the box. I will choose the clustered column chart and then select OK. The column chart will open up in the slide with some sample pre-filled data in the Excel add-in. You can see that the sample data is already pre-filled in the PowerPoint interface. This sample data will not do for most of us, as of more often we will be working on our own data to make our own chart. We have to enter the data that we need in our work and not the sample data. So I have the data in my own separate Excel file and I will use it to create our own column chart. I'll copy the data that I have in my Excel and replace the sample data. There is an extra column that I will need to delete. I will close the Excel pop-up and now you can see that the column chart is displaying a visualization based on our own data. Now I will show you how you can use the chart tools feature to select and edit the data source in PowerPoint. Click the select data button from the chart design tab and you will have the data source setting pop up. Here you will find the chart data range at the top. Below it you will find legend entries and the horizontal axis levels. Now if you want to display only the data of team A, just deselect team B from the entries column. Click OK and you will find the column chart displaying only team A visual. We can even create a choice on the horizontal axis level, where we can create a visual for some specific months as per our choice. You can see that here we are displaying a column chart based on the performance of team A and B for the first 7 months. You can now select all the boxes to display all the data in the column chart. Now we will change the chart elements like the title and other elements like labels, axis titles, etc. I'll give the x-axis title and y-axis title for the column chart. We can also change the chart color based on our liking. This is the dark theme that is also quite commonly used for presentations. We can also choose other type of charts like 3D chart, and we can change the color and play around with designs and shades. You can click the change chart type button at the top and change it to a stack chart. There are other chart types like 3D clustered column chart. We can continue to play around with various chart types and choose the one that is best suited to our work. In addition to clustered column charts, there are also other type of charts. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos and please subscribe to my channel.